Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can connect your Calendly to your Google Sheet right here in Zapier. So when somebody books an appointment with you from your Calendly, you automatically save their details in your Google Sheet. Now the very first thing you need to do is definitely you have to create a Zap. Click here, rename it to whatever you want to. Come down here, click on your trigger, which is your Calendly. The very first thing you do, the app you choose, which is your Calendly. The second thing is the trigger event. Make sure that you select invitee created. Right, so when you create a meeting in your Calendly and somebody uses the link to book an appointment with you, it triggers this Zapier. So make sure that you selected invitee created. Then the next thing, you link your Calendly account. Then the next thing, if you haven't, it will be showing sign in here, so you can easily link it. The next thing, click on continue. Here in your configure, you can see the webbook subscription is scope, is user, leave it like that, it means it is you. Then the event type, you can select any meeting at all that you want to be watching, right? But in my case, I want every meeting, right? If anybody books appointments in any of my meetings that I've created, let it trigger. And that is it. You click on your continue and you go ahead to test your record and you are good. Then the next thing, you add your action, which is Google Sheets. This is to select, the first thing you do here is your app, Google Sheets. Event is create spreadsheet row. Make sure that is what you select. If you scroll down, you will see create spreadsheet row. Okay. If you scroll down here, you should see that, yeah, this is it, right? Create spreadsheet row. Then you select that is to create a new row in your Google Sheet. Now you sign into your Google Sheet account. If you haven't, here we change, instead of change, it will be showing sign in. Then you click on continue. The next thing is my drive. They tell you to select. The only option you have is my Google Drive. You select that. Spreadsheet, save the Calendly lead. Remember, I went to my Google Sheets. I created a spreadsheet, called it save Calendly lead. And this is that there's already data here. That means somebody has already booked an appointment with me. So I created a Google Sheet and gave it this name, right? That is exactly what you are to do. Then you select it here. The sheet is always sheet 1. Map the columns correctly, right? If you want to map the columns for the name, click on this plus. It will open up your Calendly. Scroll down, look for the name. This is name. Now scroll down, select it. Your email, your event type, and every other thing, map them correctly. And after that, you are good. Then you can publish. So this is how to connect your Calendly to your Google Sheets in Zapier. So if you have any other questions, any concerns, any struggling, or you want us to do a specific thing for you, please comment in the comment section. Thank you.